In Python, you can customize how square brackets work on your objects. Lists in Python support indexing using square brackets, and dictionaries support key lookups using square brackets. Putting square brackets after an object and passing something into those brackets is called subscript notation. This syntax is powered by the dunder getItem method. Any object that implements a dunder getItem method can be used with that subscript notation, which means if we want to make our own objects that support this subscript notation, all we need to do is make sure we have a dunder getItem method. So this forgiving indexer class accepts a sequence and returns an object that can be indexed. And when it's indexed, we'll get back the index in the given sequence. Although it can't just be indexed, you can actually pass in a string to these square brackets and it'll convert it into an integer, or even a floating point number and it'll convert it into an integer. So it's kind of a forgiving index in a sense. And this all works because we've implemented a dunder getItem method. To allow square brackets to work on your object, you can implement a dunder getItem method. You'll most often see this done in list-like objects, also known as sequences, or dictionary-like objects, also known as mappings.